In this series, we're going to make the beginner-friendly cozy dog coat.
This is a lovely coat. Comes together so quickly, super, super easy to make. It is actually just one big piece of material. You only have to take 4 measurements in order to make this coat. If you want to make it longer, or if your dog has a smaller neck or a wider neck or a bigger chest, you can extend this portion here to make it come out a little longer. And same thing here. If you had a dog that was a little bit wider around the belly, you could make it longer here, or you could make it shorter if they had a skinnier belly. And lastly, you can also extend the length or shorten the length. There's piping that goes around the entire outside of the coat and also along the collar. There is a lining that's sewn to the coat and also a lining along the collar. And then there's this Velcro that does it up on the tummy and on the neck. Super simple to come together. You can make it in any coat material that you'd like. This one is made in a waterproof material on the outside, and it has fleece on the inside for a nice winter coat. But you can make this out of a very nice light waterproof material on the outside and perhaps some mesh as the lining, so that you could have it for a spring coat or a fall coat. Or you could make it out of a nice cotton or a fleece or a jersey material. So many ideas and ways to make this cozy coat and to make it customized. This is one of my favorite patterns because it's so simple to make and there's so many things that you can do with it. So I hope you enjoy making it.